Hello friends, today we will learn how to use Vlookup in Excel. So first we open Excel file. Here we have two columns. One column is for the tag name and another one is for value. We'll add one more sheet. Then is tag value. So now we'll apply Vlookup here. So we'll just write equal to then Vlookup. Lookup. So what is lookup value? Lookup value is a value which you want to find in a particular data table. So this cell is our lookup value. We select that and comma. What is table array? So table array is a table in which you want to find that lookup value. So we'll go here, select the table. Okay. Column index number. So from that table, which columns value you want to fetch there. So yeah, we have two columns. Second column value you want, so we just add second, then match. So you want exact match, so we write 0, then bracket complete, enter. So here is our formula, so we'll just write tag a, so you will get the value. So you can see here for a the value is 10 and there is 10. If you add b, then 20, c, and d. So you want the same formula in second cell, just click here, type F4, so it will lock your table array selection. Now just drag this here, right, A, B, C and D, and you will get all the values. So it is very useful for Excel work. Thank you very much. Bye.